Welcome to Auto's Time. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of heavy machinery, specifically focusing on the MACTECH Excavator. This machine exemplifies power and precision in excavation, making it a crucial asset in construction and mining industries. MACTECH is known for manufacturing robust and innovative machinery designed to tackle the toughest jobs. The model we're looking at today features a massive bucket attachment, engineered for optimal digging and material handling. This excavator is built for versatility, easily switching between different attachments, including buckets, grapples, and specialized tools for various tasks. Whether it's digging foundations, clearing sites, or performing heavy lifting, the MACTECH Excavator stands ready to deliver. One of the standout features of the MACTECH Excavator is its impressive horsepower. Typically, these machines are equipped with powerful engines that produce between 200 to 500 horsepower, depending on the specific model. This power allows the excavator to perform heavy-duty tasks efficiently, whether in urban construction or rugged mining environments. The ability to generate high torque at low RPMs is crucial for digging through tough soil and rock, and MACTECH machines excel in this aspect. Safety is a top priority in the design of MACTECH excavators. Equipped with advanced safety features, including reinforced cabs, emergency shut-off systems, and visibility enhancements, operators can work confidently, knowing they are well protected. The dual cab design seen in this model allows for better visibility and control, ensuring that operators can navigate tight spaces and complex job sites with ease. This feature not only enhances safety but also boosts productivity, allowing operators to execute tasks more efficiently. The hydraulic system in the MACTECH excavator is another marvel of engineering. With precise control and quick response times, this system enables operators to execute intricate maneuvers with ease. Whether lifting heavy materials or performing delicate operations, the hydraulic capabilities of the MACTECH excavator make it a versatile tool on any job site. The smooth operation also reduces operator fatigue, which is a significant advantage during long work hours. Another advantage of using MACTECH machinery is its durability. Built to withstand the harsh conditions of construction and mining environments, these excavators are made from high-quality materials designed to resist wear and tear. Regular maintenance, along with robust engineering, ensures that these machines have a long operational lifespan, making them a wise investment for businesses looking to maximize productivity. In addition to its mechanical features, the MACTECH excavator is designed with operator comfort in mind. The spacious cab is fitted with ergonomic controls, climate control systems, and adjustable seating, creating a pleasant work environment. When operators are comfortable, they can focus better, leading to improved performance and safety on the job. In summary, the MACTECH excavator stands out as a powerful and precise tool in the excavation industry. With its robust horsepower, advanced safety features, and exceptional hydraulic capabilities, it's designed to handle even the most demanding tasks. If you're in the market for heavy machinery, the MACTECH excavator deserves serious consideration. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of MACTECH heavy machinery. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Auto's Time, and stay tuned for more exciting content on the latest in automotive and machinery technology.